Hi everyone, this is an experience sharing video. I'll show you how to convert my cross-country ski bindings from SNS Pilot to NNN system. I recently bought two Fisher cross-country skis on Xianyu, and they're models from around 2008. One has an NIS plate, but both are fitted with discontinued Salomon SNS Pilot bindings. SNS Pilot boots are almost impossible to find in China, so I converted both to the NNN system. We'll share two conversion methods. One is replacing them directly with off-the-shelf NNN bindings. The other is modifying the original setup with 3D printed parts. I couldn't find any guides online in Chinese, so I made this video to share with you. First method, buy and install NNN bindings directly. When buying, pay attention. Screw-mounted bindings and NIS system bindings are completely different. If your skis come with a NIS plate pre-installed, you can use the ones on the right. Otherwise, use the ones on the left and drill your own holes. First, remove the original bindings. There shows where the mounting screws are. Next, find and mark the balance point of the ski. The front locking mechanism of the binding must align with the balance point. Adjust the heel binding position to match your boot size, then drill holes at the screw positions. I filled unused holes with hot glue to prevent water and mold. Some tutorials on YouTube use wooden dowels and white glue. Then just tighten the screws. Here's how it looks installed. It fits my NNN boots perfectly. But probably because I bought low-quality bindings after a few falls with bad form, excessive horizontal twisting made the front lock of my NNN binding unreliable. There was a lot of side-to-side play in the heel. Also, as a beginner with imperfect technique, my heel often locked incorrectly in the guide, which is a safety hazard. That's why I came up with the second method. I found that the front of the SNS binding also locks correctly with NNN boots. It also covers more area, so it's more stable and reliable. The problem is the shape of the toe and heel guides is different. So I kept the original front lock and replaced the rear guide with a 3D printed part. I'll speed up the removal process. Just snap it off. I figured I wouldn't need it anymore. Trim off any burrs on the edges. Then install the 3D printed part. I modeled it based on the actual hole positions on the ski and my NNN bindings. I've uploaded the model and project files to Thingiveres. Feel free to use them. Printed with Bamboo Lab Basic PLA, 75% infill. No strength issues after 2 ski sessions. It feels solid, but it's missing the toe rebound rubber. I'm working on a solution. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.